Well, hey there, this is your pal Billy 5248547 here again with another unboxing for Savinelli Pipe. What kind of pipe is this one? Guess you're gonna have to find out again. I'll run through this one a bit more quickly because obviously there's a lot of things that are the same as the previous unboxing. So if you want me to dwell on it a bit longer, go back and have another look at that. So again, beautiful print effect on Savinelli logos. On the back, nothing. Okay, let's open her up, have a look. Oh look, it's the same bag again. Beautiful print production. What's inside? Guess you're gonna have to wait. Okay, we have the marketing material again here from Savinelli. And it's the same marketing material as last time. Considering I only bought the pipe previously a week ago. So it's the same. On the other side. Okay. Then we have inspected by quality control AC 66500. An attractive bag with the Italian flag. And inside is some pipe filters. Now, there's a balsa system filler. There's some of their paper filters. Or maybe it's charcoal. And we've got a pipe attachment. This is a 6mm pipe. We've got an adapter there, so you get a better draw if you don't want to use a filter. And inside here, an attractive booklet. Multiple languages. In English, it tells you how to smoke a pipe. And product care. Again, saying that it's important to clean the pipe after every smoke, after it's cooled. And this is a great line. These characteristics, as well as the susceptibility to scratches and the color fading once left under the light or when handled over time, should not be considered defects, but assets, fundamental aspects of natural products in all its aspects. So, got a scratch? Don't send it back to us. Thanks, Savinelli. Okay, now let's have a look at the actual pipe. We're going to do pipe reveal. What is it? What's it gonna be? The last one was a Roman Lucite 207 straight apple. What's this one? Dun, 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 dun. Aroma Series Savinelli 101 straight billiard. Get some good shots for you there. Now, the stand is supposed to be vulcanite. Seems very acrylic-y to me, but hey, probably is vulcanite. So other people would be questioning that for many years. Now, the band here is metal this time. Previous one, I wasn't sure if that was metal or if that was just a painted plastic, but this is definitely, it's metal. If I take it apart, you can get a look. You can see the brass ring. That's real nice. So, yeah. Now I have not smoked this one yet. I'll have to come back to you on that. But in my next smoking video, if you like my last smoking video, which is up now, then I'll smoke this and tell you what I think of it. I think it's a better size in my hand, this one, to be honest. I've got a reasonably big hand, and this seems to fit better. It's It's your standard, quite deep billiard though. With a lot of tobacco in that. And it looks good from every angle. That's another thing I like about it. The 207 straight apple looks very different depending on which angle you look at it from. This pipe, well, to me, it looks the same from every angle, like it's the same pipe, if that makes sense. So, yeah, I really do like the dimensions of this. Also, the R for Roma is correctly stamped. The other one, maybe it was just the one I got, the R was, there was too much foiling added. There was a blob underneath it. So, yeah, but this is real good. Now, that's a real nice pipe. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, so there you go. It's the Savinelli Roma 101 Rusticated straight billiard. And the Roma series has been around for many decades. This is one of their legacy styles. So yeah, people must like it. It is classic. It's beautiful. I love this pipe. I haven't even smoked it yet. I'm sure it smokes fine if they've been making these for decades. This Roma. So yeah, as long as they've been making 101 for decades, I'm not so sure about that. Anybody would like to comment, then feel free. But there you have it. The Savinelli Roma 101 straight billiard rusticated. Beautiful pipe. Oh well, y'all be good now. And see you soon.